In today's video, I bring you an amazing scalping strategy that can be used for any type of financial asset on the 5-minute chart. The strategy does not use any technical indicator, but it does use different time frames. In my case, I'm going to be using it in the euro-dollar. For this strategy, we will have to see the last candle of the 1-hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, and 5-minute charts. If all the charts have the same colored candle, we will execute a trade in that direction. For example, if all the charts have their last candle in green, we will make the buy trade on the 5-minute chart. We will put a stop loss of 15 pips and a take profit of 30 pips. If you don't know how to measure this, just grab the risk-reward tool. And in the configuration where it says ticks in the profit level, put 300, and where it says ticks in the stop level, put 150. All that remains is to place this in the place where we carry out the buy operation, to put the stop loss and take profit where it corresponds. If all the charts have their last red candle, we will make the sell trade on the 5-minute chart. This is an incredibly simple trading strategy that any beginner can use, and the best part is that it requires no knowledge of any indicators. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.